Hello everybody, hope all of you are doing wonderful. Welcome to a PySpark tutorial. Today we are going to focus on a very common problem. Analyzing customer data to find out which customers are most likely to churn. Which means the customer who are most likely to leave the service, to cancel the subscription. Basically to leave the customer to leave to their competitor or go somewhere else. So customer churn is a big issue for businesses, and by analyzing trends, companies can take proactive measures to retain these companies. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to use PySpark to analyze customer data and identify potential churners based on key metrics like user behavior and customer support interactions. So let's get right into it. So we'll start by setting up a PySpark session. So basically error was coming. You can easily fix that error by downloading the Java, and also you need to do pip install PySpark to have PySpark for this session. So let's get right into it. So we have created a Spark session and we will be using it. If you have followed along with the older tutorial, this should look familiar. Next part is we will load a sample customer dataset that simulate a business scenario where we track customer demographic, users pattern, and their interaction with customer support. Let's assume we have this data in a CSV file. This is how we can load the data into a data frame. So I have the code ready, I'll show you. So if we have this data, so we can load it like this. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume the CSV file contain this data, these 4 columns and all this data. Okay, so we can also create a PySpark data frame using these values, and then it will show if it loads properly, if it will show. Okay, so the data frame is created properly. Let's move forward. If you are loading the customer data CSV, you need to make sure that customer data.csv is in your project directory. The data set might have columns like customer ID, age, tenure, how long they have been a customer, the number of support tickets, and their average monthly uses. Okay, let's get into the third part, which will be data exploration and understanding. Okay, so before diving into any analysis, it's crucial to understand the data. Let's explore some basic statistics about dataset to get insight into the distribution of values. We can use describe function to get summary statistics. Okay, let's try this. So we have the stat right in front of us. So the age has a mean value of 36.2, count the number is 10, minimum, maximum, customer ID, monthly users. Great. We have the data here. Total tickets raised. Wonderful. The average is the standard deviation is 5.08. The mean, which is average, is 8.9. Great. So after this, we can check for any null or missing value that could like skew the analysis. So let's just check for null values. Okay, so before we can like use count or call or these things, you need to make sure that we have this imported from PySpark SQL.function. So we need these things. Now it should work. Wonderful, it's working, and we see that there's no null values, which is great. Otherwise we might need to fill it or drop it in case there is null value, but for the data set which we have selected, there isn't any. So basically this step help us understand if we need to clean the data by handling missing values or outliers. Okay, so the next step would be feature engineering. So write it down. So now that we have explored the data, dogs are barking. So now that we have explored the data, we will create some additional features to enhance our analysis. Feature engineering involves transforming raw data into features that better represent the underlying problem. For instance, we can calculate average number of support tickets per month based on customer tenure and their total support ticket count. So let's do it. Alright, so what we have done, we have used with column average ticket per month, and then this is total ticket by tenure month, right? Total tenure by total ticket. So this gives us average ticket per month. So customer 1 has an average ticket of 2.4 per month, and 2 has an average ticket of 0.33, 3 has an average ticket of 0.13, and these are the stats. Hope this helps. Okay, so this feature helps us identify customer who might be more frustrated, like higher average ticket. So it seems like these two customers are very frustrated. Customer 1 especially customer number 4. So and thus they are like more likely to churn. This is how the analysis works. So now let's get into identifying potential churners. This will be a markdown. I use IPYNB file because they are like way better for a tutorial. Okay, finally let's implement a basic rule-based approach to identify potential churner. We'll flag customer as at risk based on certain conditions such as low tenure. New customers are more likely to churn. Those who have like those just joined, not from a long period of time, are most likely to churn. High average support ticket, which means they are encountering frequent issues with the service, or low usage, customers which are using the services in very less of their time. Here's how we can like create the churn risks column in PySpark. Let me show you the code. So we'll import. So here we have written a PySpark logic. So basically we need to import when, which is very similar to case statement in SQL, just to write the condition. So we have written, and the tenure month is 12, average ticket is greater than 1, and monthly usage is smaller than 100. In that case, the churn rate is very high, otherwise it's not. Let's see if it works. Alright, so we have two customers which we identified earlier as well with a high churn rate. So you get the point, right? So I think I think we have done the analysis. So that's it, guy. In just a few minutes, we have taken a raw data set, engineered new features, and used some basic rule to identify potential churners. Of course, this is just the beginning. You could enhance this further by using machine learning model with PySpark's MLlib to make more accurate prediction. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, please feel free to write down the comment, and don't forget to subscribe. That really help. So I'll just tell you the key point again. We need to set up a PySpark session. We need to load the data set. We need to export the data, clean any null values, engineer new features like average support ticket per month, apply business logic to flag potential churners.